Live and be prosperous. And farewell, good fellow. For all this same, I'll hide me hereabouts. As little as I'm here, to some tents I go.
Stop thy house, toil vile Montague! Can vengeance be pursued further than death? Condemned villain, I do apprehend thee. Obey and go with me, for thou must die.
I must indeed, and therefore came I hither. Good gentle youth, tempt not a desperate man. Fly hence and leave me. Think upon these gone. Let them affright thee. I beseech thee, and not another sin upon my head by urging you to fury. I love thee better than myself. For I come hither armed against myself. Stay not, be gone, live, and hereafter say, a madman's mercy bid thee run away.
I do defy thy commiseration, and apprehend thee for a felon here.
Wilt thou provoke me? Then have at thee, boy!